Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll show you how to manage access to your events, see how you can grant management access to your team, and control who can view insights or edit details, and much more. This tutorial will be divided into two parts. First, we will learn how to grant access to your team for one particular event. And then we will see how to grant access to your team for all your events. So let's get started. Navigate to the main menu and click on Event, Setup, and Team. Here you can enter your colleague's email and click Add User. Make sure your colleague has an Eventora account with this email or creates one. After adding the email, activate the appropriate fields to grant access, like viewing reports or check-in process access. To grant full management access rights, enable the admin field. Now let's see what each role does. Reports gives access to create new registrations, send invitations, and download participant lists and other reports. Check-in allows the user to access the electronic directory of participants for check-in. Admin gives full management access. Reports View Only is for accessing and downloading participant lists and other reports. Check-in Mobile is for scanning participants' tickets for check-in through the Eventora Scanner app. Exhibitor is for scanning visitors' booth tickets. Reseller is ideal for private event invitations. Users can upload their own lists and view reports exclusively for their uploads, ensuring participant data remains private from other resellers. Reports No Request Acceptance is the same as reports, but cannot manage requests. Check-in Stats is for accessing check-in statistics of the event. Sponsor allows the user to access only the registrations and RSVPs they have submitted. Reports No Limits is the same as reports and also has overbooking capabilities. Technician allows access to approved questions from the admin. During on-site events, participants upload their questions to the Eventora web app. Once approved, the technician displays the questions on the big screen. Questions Moderator allows access to questions that are approved from the admin. Okay, we know how to grant access to our team for a specific event. Now, let's see how to grant management access for all our events. Click on your name on the top right, and then select Company. Go to Organization Team. Enter your colleague's email and click Add User. Make sure your colleague has an Eventora account with this email or creates one. After adding the email, activate the appropriate fields to grant access. To grant full management access rights, enable the admin field. Lastly, click on Send Invitation so your colleague can see and accept your invite. Now let's see what each role does. Reports gives access to create new orders, send invitations, and download participant lists and other reports. Admin gives full management access. Reports View Only is for viewing and downloading participant lists and other reports. Event Creator allows users to create events for your organization. So now you know how to manage access to your events fast and easy through our platform. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check our guides for more tips.